Okay. Thank you for joining me. I'm gonna make this stream very quick and very brief, but yes, 3 to 4 feet of snow is not an over exaggeration. It sounds like an over exaggeration, but it is in fact a likelihood. Let's look at the Kuchera ratio, which is actually the most accurate method for snowfall. 40 inches of snow. Look at that, up to 40 inches. And this is basing that if we get a QPF of like 2 to 3 inches. So here's the thing. Let's look at precipitation. So it's showing the highest QPF right into Boston, even increasing as you go a little further south. Like here it's showing 2.85. But once you look at Kuchera, the Kuchera ratio for snow, you're not going to find 4 feet of snow there. It dials back because you have more warmer temperatures here. I think this is definitely accurate. I mean, there could be a little bit of discrepancies here, but this is definitely accurate in my opinion. Most of the models have been forecasting a huge amount of snow. Let's look at the RDPS right now. Let's look at the okay, let me look at the other models. Let's look at our 36, and let's look at our. Here, let's look at the HWRF, right? Total QPF. Yeah, this model is like saying, nope, I don't want to see the snow. So this, but here's the thing. Look at this huge difference. See, everything is like shifting further west now. So yeah, Kuchera, right? Yeah. Let's look at another HWRF model. Huge increase, you see? Yeah. So yeah, wow. Wow. That is a lot of snow. 3 feet. And how much QPF are they showing? And they're the ones, oh yeah, 2 feet. Look at that, 2.5 inches. I actually think this is actually pretty accurate. Yeah, I think that's pretty accurate. So yeah, 2 feet is still definitely likelihood now. Yeah. Absolutely insane. And yet the National Weather Service still has not issued a blizzard warning for Boston. Winter storm watch. Indeed, winter storm watch. And how much snow are they forecasting? A foot of more snow expected. A foot of snow. Yeah. Let's try my area, New York City, right? What the heck? Storm watch. Yeah, 3 to 5 inches of snow. Not much. It's like, you know. Let's see. Yeah, I just looked out the window. I didn't see any flakes coming down, so therefore it must be Virga. So let me check the radar scope app on my phone. Nope, it's actually reaching the ground. No, the snow is actually reaching the ground. According to the radar scope app, there's like a little bit of snow reaching the ground. And there's just been a report of snow in Brookhaven. I'm having a thorough look out my window, and yeah, I don't even see a flake. Nothing. Yeah. The air is too dry. All the snow is evaporating before it hits the ground. Looking at Brookhaven. Though it's showing snow reaching the ground at Brookhaven, it's actually showing some stuff reaching the ground at the National Weather Service headquarters. It's actually showing precipitation hitting the ground, and it's showing us a pretty intense echo right over my area. So the fact that it's not reaching the ground where I am, it actually is kind of baffling me. Yeah, it's a little surprising that it's not reaching the ground. But yet in Brookhaven, it actually is reaching the ground. Must have been a pretty intense echo. Yep, it was a very intense echo. There's actually snow in Brentwood right now. So the snow that is currently coming in New York City is some of this stuff right here. So it's some of this just initial stuff. And yes, that is kind of part of the storm. Yep. Very insane storm here. Yeah, this is going to be very intense. Very, very intense storm. Visibility, let's look at Kuchera. Insane. Like, absolutely insane. Like, this is just absolutely crazy. Man, this could be a Blizzard 96 type scenario, because here's the thing, right? Let's look at 6Z up to hour 6. Here's your forming storm. It should look very similar, actually. So let's check hour 32. Yeah, see. Yep. And I think the next model is going to be even closer. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to have to go to bed in a few minutes, so I'm going to end the stream right now. Oh, I was looking out the window. Hey, Johnny. Let me make sure it's all working properly. Hello? Yeah, okay, it's working properly. Call him right now. Oh, happy birthday! Wait.
I'm sorry, the person you were talking.
Okay. Well, I gotta go. I'm getting up at 7. Actually, I have to get up. I actually have to be on the bus at 7. Shoot. I only got like 3.5 hours more to go of sleep. A few more minutes. All right. I'm going to wait for that model to load. Can you call me on my phone, please? Oh. A few more minutes. Yes. Okay. Hey, Johnny, can you call me? Make sure we call you credit. Shoot. Oh wait. FaceTime? Oh, you have FaceTime? Awesome. All right. Let me look at that other model. Come on. Would you load already? 2016. But here's the thing: the models are trending further west. There's definitely a trend further to the west. 16. Okay. But why is the storm going further west? It's all because of the amplitude of the 500 millibar trough. You see how you're seeing this polar vortex here, right? Part of it broke off. Well, like it's already, a piece of it is going to break off, and it's going to form a coastal system. So you see, this right here is the tightening of the upper level low, which is kind of correlated with the surface low, which is here. So you see, this is actually in part because of the tightening of the storm. I mean, look at this. Like, this is insane. You're actually going to be having some warm air coming in because of the storm, or trying to come in, and then bam, it kind of loses out to this. Basically, as you have all this moisture coming in. Let's look at the sounding, right? Right in Boston, sounding. Bam, sounding. Let's do an atmospheric sounding at this time. So here's your warm tongue. This is actually right where you have your DGZ, your dendrite growth zone. And you're having temperatures right around low 20s, basically. That's negative 5 degrees Celsius. That equates to about like low mid 20s. That's about 23 degrees. So you're having temperatures at the surface right around 28 or like middle 20s. So you're having, but here's the thing. You're going to have very high humidity. And so you're going to have, so your moisture adiabats are definitely going to be, your atmosphere is definitely not unstable. It's just going to be really humid. So your moisture adiabats are going to be a little bit, so you're going to have some instability. See that? That's your moisture adiabats right here, where you're dry. So you're going to have some instability. So you could have some thunder snow, potentially, based on that sounding that I'm looking at right now. But this is, keep in mind, this is the NAM 3KM. This is not, this is not the NAM 3KM. This is not the high resolution model. So yeah. There's already some flurries coming down outside of New York City, so. The heck? to go through. That's weird. Okay, try again, I guess. Phone's acting up for some reason. All right. Light snow, 6 dBz. Light snow's gonna be coming in. Okay. So this is your initial moisture. So this is part of the same system. Hey, Johnny.
There you go. Now it's working.
Yeah. Okay. So right now I'm waiting for the HRRR to come in.
Yeah, man. This is the person that visited my freaking favorite volcano in the freaking world, and.
I'm sorry. Can you repeat that again? What did you say about the volcano?
You visited my favorite volcano that I like learning about.
Which volcano? Vesuvius?
Yep.
Well, here's the thing. I'm not concerned about Vesuvius. Here's the thing about Vesuvius. I went to Vesuvius's daddy, basically. The volcano that gave birth to Vesuvius. Yeah, the volcano that technically gave birth to Vesuvius is Campi Flegrei. Campi Flegrei is the big daddy. It's a super volcano. Yeah, it's a super volcano that is just west of Naples.
Oh my gosh, that dude! I can't believe this. Whenever I saw you literally swoop into the volcano, I'm like, this dude is like an active volcano.
Well, yeah, that's what I visited is known as a solfatara. I visited a hot. Yes, I was there. It smelled like sulfur. There was a lot of sulfur there.
Did you smell it?
Yeah, it was definitely interesting. It wasn't that bad. It definitely smelled like rotten eggs, and there was some elemental sulfur. So not much hydrogen sulfide, but a lot of sulfur.
Oh my gosh, I get this. So how long have you known that YouTuber, Geology Hub?
Geology Hub, I've known him for almost 2 years now, year and a half.
Look at that, that's cool.
Yeah, I'm actually talking to him. Me and him are actually talking. So yeah.
Tell him I said hi.
Well, wait, do you talk to him?
I wish I could talk to him.
Just go into his about and look up his contact information. That's how I found out. Just reach out to him. But here's the thing. But the thing is, like me and him, like we usually talk about geology stuff. So here's the thing. When I was at Campi Flegrei, I got 2 white rocks, which to me I thought was limestone, but I kind of hoped was rhyolite. But I got other stones that were indeed volcanic stones. But those stones that I thought were limestone was indeed limestone. There was some limestone there. However, I do have a piece of white pumice that is not a limestone. It's actually rhyolite. I have a stone of rhyolite from Campi Flegrei.
What?
Yes.
That's cool. So, when was the last time y'all came up to the Campi Flegrei?
Campi Flegrei last erupted in 1538. So the thing is, but here's the thing about Campi Flegrei, it's erupting primarily rhyolite.
Rhyolite? Is that good or bad?
Bad. It's very bad. The fact that it's erupting rhyolite and not basalt like Vesuvius. I'm not concerned about Vesuvius. Vesuvius I am not concerned about.
I got a question.
But Campi Flegrei, I think Campi Flegrei is not only erupting, I think Campi Flegrei is 100 times more dangerous than Vesuvius. 100 times. You know, they make a documentary, Vesuvius can destroy Naples. Yeah, if it had the same composition as it did in AD 79, which was andesite. It had an andesite-dacite composition in AD 79. Now it has basaltic andesite. It's not that dangerous. It has a very similar composition now toward what the volcano Stromboli has. Stromboli, Volcano is even more explosive now than Vesuvius. But here's the thing about Campiflagrei. Campiflagrei could have a super eruption. It could. It could have another colossal eruption, VEI 7.
Okay, let me see what VEI this thing. Oh,
Volcanic Explosivity Index.
Wait, if volcano has not erupted that long, is it not extinct or they actually
Dormant. Yes, Yellowstone. Here's the thing. Normally, a volcano that has not erupted in 10,000 years will be considered extinct. However, Yellowstone has not erupted in over 70,000 years, but it's considered dormant because it still has a lot of activity, and it has cyclical eruptions. Hold on, I gotta focus on the models right now.
Oh, okay, I see. I'm seeing a lot of GFS, European dam, showing this type of storm that's going to be impacting everyone will kick down. Whenever I saw this, I'm like, he's probably still in Italy, so he ain't gonna worry about it. I'm like, oh wait a minute, he's probably home by now.
Who?
You.
Hey, I gotta go to bed by 3. Please, I have to be in bed. Here's the thing. I have to be on a bus by 7 a.m. So I need to go back to sleep.
Wait, are you now in New York or in Italy?
I'm in New York.
Oh, you don't gotta ask me that.
Dude, I'm in New York. I arrived yesterday.
You arrived yesterday.
On the 26th. Well, Well, technically for me, it's the day before yesterday.
Oh, okay.
The European model has gone completely bonkers.
There was something that I just Googled, and it's kind of concerning me.
What?
Well, okay, so it said, what happened if the Campiflagrei erupted? It would drop the temperatures into a mini ice age.
No. No, it won't. Here's the thing. Campiflagrei won't. It's not a guarantee that it'll have another super eruption. The thing is, Campiflagrei, even though people say it's a super volcano, it has not erupted. In a single eruption, it has not erupted more than 1,000 cubic kilometers. It's a caldera, yes. But would I call it a true supervolcano? No. It has not done a VEI 8. In order to qualify as a supervolcano, it has to have a certain threshold, somewhere in the VEI 7s. Actually, no, it is a supervolcano because its first eruption, the Campanian Ingenbright eruption, was a mid-range VEI 7. So yes, it is a supervolcano, but not.
What? And get this. When you said happy birthday, that made me feel better.
Yeah, I mean, come on, Johnny, it's your birthday. What have you? Is your birthday today or is it yesterday, the 27th?
Actually, the 28th, which is today.
Well, yeah. Johnny, I'm getting really tired. Hey.
Well, technically from you, making a video about you being at Mount Vesuvius. That's the thing we have to have. Really is. Oh, and what's this?
What? Johnny, can you make not a live stream?
When now?
No. I was gonna ask if you could have people subscribe to my channel. I'm kind of way behind my subscriber count.
Okay. I'm going. I don't know if I should do live or should I do tomorrow? It's I'm not sure. And plus the vast majority of my subscribers are probably asleep.
No, not now. After the live stream.
Oh, I see. Now, I'm going to say this. Maybe on a weekend, when things aren't so crazy, what I might do, and I'm saying if live, I'm going to raid you. That basically means having one 50, 70 people in one week.
Johnny, I'm going to be doing a live stream during the storm on Saturday.
Ooh. Yeah. I get to see it. The weather happens to that YouTube channel out there.
Okay, Johnny, in 10 minutes I got to go to bed.
Oh, okay. That quarantine sucks.
Wait, are you quarantining?
Kind of yes, but kind of no.
Why? Why are you quarantining?
Because, well, people are supposed to move it now, but I'm starting to get symptoms and it's kind of scary. Which kind of sucks, but I got tested and it was negative. And I'm thinking to myself, I have body aches and chills. We have a mild fever. How do I be negative?
You tested negative?
Yeah, I tested negative.
Probably means you have a cold. Johnny, I had 102 fever. Body aches and chills, a lot of sneezing, and I tested positive for the common cold. I just had a really bad cold. That's what happened. Yes, you could have a really bad cold that actually is as bad or even worse in some flu cases. Yes. No, I had a common cold that was worse than the common cold. I mean, I had a common cold that was worse, that was basically flu-like.
Oh, wow.
My computer froze. Hold on for a second.
Oh, dang it.
No, for a second. I'm thinking like for a second.
Oh, okay. Question. Do you think, I'm saying that, okay, there has been a very, very, very huge time. We're going through the Worcester, whatever that thing is. And people are saying that it could cool the temperature maybe before you
I'm sorry?
What's your opinion about people saying that the hunger island might cool off the earth?
No. Even though the volcano is very explosive and it generated the tallest ash plume ever recorded, the eruption only lasted for a couple hours, or not even an hour. The explosive phase of the eruption only lasted like 20-30 minutes.
What? Really?
Yeah, it didn't produce much ash. It didn't produce much ejecta.
Yeah, because the way the media is reporting, it makes it look like it's the catastrophe where not going to happen. And wow. But yeah. Okay, we have a very big question. Who is this guy?
Who?
I don't care about that. Go away. Oh,
Who?
Man.
Who?
But you want to know what you should do?
Yeah.
I am just now thinking about it. Well, you're into volcanoes and the weather, right?
Yeah.
You should do volcano and weather videos.
I do.
Well, like.
But hey, Geology Hub does that. Like, I want to leave that to him.
Oh, okay. I see what you mean.
I don't want to. Well, only thing I might do is talk about the earthquake activity in the volcano. But here's the thing: I like Geology Hub. I really like his channel. And here's the thing: I used to watch Ben Furiolo.
Oh wow! Yeah, get this. This dude, get this. This one is on gosh. When was this? It was August. Ever since I found his channel, this is going to sound really silly, but I'm actually addicted to watching all of this video. It's on everything, so I'm instantly watching.
Mount Pinatubo, after more than 500 years of dormancy, this volcano produced.
I wonder who that is.
That's Geology Hub. He's talking about Mount Pinatubo.
Mount Pinatubo. What? Pinatubo erupted? Huh?
No, it had a phreatic eruption. It just erupted steam. Nothing crazy, just some steam.
Dang,
Johnny, I think you should be watching my channel right now. This is going to be a major storm, Johnny. Major storm, like really crazy storm. Like the HRRR is already saying the storm is going to be closer, and already, like it's.
What is that purple mean? I'm looking on your shoe. What mean?
What? I can't hear you. What?
What is all that purple?
That's snow. Purple is snow. I'm looking at the charts right now. That's snow. Like.
Oh, that. Oh, that's no. Let's see. You are kind of in the blue. Some of the models, it's like some want to target you, some don't want to target you.
Actually, most of the models, in fact, all of the models have been targeting New York City. Jesus,
really?
Look at that,
well,
Johnny. Look at hour 26.
Wait, hour 26 where?
Okay, look at my screen. I'm on hour 26 right now, right?
You on college's page?
Yes, hour 26.
I'm looking.
Okay. You see right here, 992 millibars, 991, right?
991. Wait.
0.5. No. At the center of the low, 991.5. Hour 27.
Yeah.
989.1. That's a over 2 millibar drop in 1 hour. This is a bomb cyclone. This is a bomb cyclone, Johnny.
Wait.
This is a bomb cyclone.
What does that actually mean by bomb cyclone?
Means it's going to rapidly, very quickly intensify. I wouldn't be surprised if there's 986 in here, and the next one, or 988. I meant to say.
I got a very big.
Damn, 980, Johnny. This is a crazy storm. Look at the winds. Look at the winds with this storm. I mean, these winds are going to be ferocious.
Wait a minute. Where do I see that at? I'm looking on the street like.
Hold on. There's a lag. There's a lag in the video, so there's a bit of a lag. So, Jesus Christ.
Is that surface wind or is that upper atmosphere wind?
I'm looking at the surface right now. The air pressures. Yeah.
Now, here's a question. Do you think, and I'm saying the word, do you think it's going to
I can't hear you. Can you talk into the phone?
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Do you think the National Weather Service is going to issue a blizzard warning?
Yes. Absolutely. 100% blizzard warning is going to be issued. Oh, yeah. Right now it's winter storm watch, but a blizzard warning will absolutely be issued. I mean, the National Weather Service would have to be insane not to issue a blizzard warning. I mean, look at those wind forecasts. 50, 60 knot winds. How could you not issue a blizzard warning? You know, we're going to have surface visibilities under a mile with, like, crazy winds. Like, the National Weather Service would have to be, like, on drugs or something not to issue a blizzard warning. Johnny, this storm is going to be a monster.
No. Now, what winter storm do you recall had something similar to this?
Winter storm, Jonas.
Jonas? Who was that? 2015?
Yeah, 2015. Yep. Jesus Christ, 986. Look at that. Right, hour 29. It just blows up 2 more millibars. Johnny, hold on. It goes from 986.7 to, at the second run, 984.7, like 2 millibars every hour. This storm, it is intensifying like crazy.
Questions. Do you remember what year bomb cyclones back to back to back, like back to back?
2018.
I get this. I remember in March of 2018, there would be bomb cyclone after bomb cyclone after bomb cyclone. I'm like, what the fuck is going on?
Nor'easters. No, we call them nor'easters. We had one bomb cyclone and...
Well, nor'easter bomb... Wait, huh? Wait, they're similar or different? Kind of...
No, we called them nor'easters, Johnny. We called them nor'easters.
Ew. Where does the actual term nor'easter come from?
Northeast winds. Winter storms with northeast winds.
just a question. How come that, like if I look on something and it shows something swirling, every time I see like a low pressure system swirling, I'm thinking to myself, that looks like a hurricane.
No, that's not a hurricane. That would be like a. No, Johnny, this storm is going to be insane. I'm looking at. I am literally looking at the runs right now. At the.
Yeah, I know. Try pivotal weather.
No. I'm looking at weather at the new.
College of DuPage.
Yeah, College of DuPage.
What's that app? No, wait, no. It was the one with the blue and the like. Kind of. Go to the previous model run that you just had, or the previous picture.
Surface visibility. Hold on. I need to look at the surface visibility. I need to see. Yep, here it comes. Here comes the blizzard. The worst of the storm. It looks like the heaviest snow will start like around 9 a.m. Saturday.
Hold up. I got an idea of a way I can actually look better. All right, now I'm gonna go to apps. Go to YouTube. I'm gonna click on your stream. Oh yeah, that. What is that? Is that invisibility?
Yep, they did it too.
Oh, that's what that was. I don't know what that was.
So the dark blues represent very low visibility. Yeah, that's low visibility.
I thought it meant snow. Oh, question. Do you think Louisiana might see a winter storm, or do you think there's going to be none?
I don't think there's a good chance of Louisiana having a winter storm this year. I'm sorry. I know. I'm sorry.
Oh wow! I can hear myself on your stream. Hold up, let me. Okay, there we go. Okay, now since I'm watching your stream, now I can see what you're clicking. Okay, go to precipitation type. I want to see what the precipitation type looks like.
I already did.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, the blues and.
What about freezing rain accumulation?
None. I already checked. None.
Oh.
Absolutely
yeah,
none.
That.
None. It's gonna be all snow.
I don't know why it's delayed for some reason.
Okay. Hold on. I think my internet just went up.
No!
Just failed. Hold on, I gotta reset my internet connection. Just give me a second. There we go.
Let's see. Let's see.
No, weather.com.edu just crashed. Never mind. It's back. It briefly crashed. Probably there's a lot of people trying to use it like me.
Human First 5G?
Huh?
Human First 5G.
That's the name of my agency.
What? Do you check weather.gov?
Sometimes I usually look at the models I look at all the models, so I make my own forecasts because the National Weather Service uses those models to make their own forecast. Usually, the National Weather Service uses the forecast based on the models.
Wait. Oh, there we go. There's my favorite website. Pivotal Weather.
I use. Hold on. Yeah, at least Pivotal Weather is
up. Do you have the premium of the?
Yes, I have premium. I do. Yes.
Oh, you do? Go to continental U.S. Go to local and press Louisiana. I want to see what might happen here.
Hold on, Johnny. Just.
Okay.
I need a second. Holy crap. This is insane.
That's insane.
The amount of snow.
What does RDPS mean?
RDPS?
Mm-hmm. You know how to go to single image and then I mean you click on single image and go to forecast loop. You know how to do that?
Yeah, I do. Hold on, I'm just looking at something, Johnny. Hold on.
Look at that precipitation headed to your location.
Yeah, that's a lot of precipitation. I mean, look at these winds. 50.
Wait. Guess what you're under? A winter storm watch.
I already knew that. Don't worry.
Oh, you knew?
Yep. Yeah, I knew that.
Oh, look at that. Yep. It's going to snow tomorrow for you.
No, Johnny, I knew about the winter storm watch. I knew.
And get this. Every single time they issue like a winter storm watch, it expected to automatically upgrade to a winter storm warning.
Johnny, weather.com at edu just crashed, so yeah.
Dang it.
Yeah, it crashed, so.
Dang it. Hmm.
Well, it crashed on my computer, so. Wait.
Oh, your computer.
Yeah, let me try that again.
It's a ring. Oh, let's see how cold it's going to get for your area. Let's see. It's going to be cold.
Hold on, Johnny. Hold on.
Degrees.
I'm looking at Ace Triple on my phone. Jesus Christ, this is going to be insane.
I know, it's crazy. Whoa! Okay, that was unexpected.
What?
So the Weather Channel is now calling, for my area. Get this, for Gonzales, Louisiana, which is where I'm from. Okay, so earlier today, it said that on Saturday the 5th, it was going to be 38 degrees for the low. Now it says it's going to be 25.
Damn.
Ugh. I don't know if that's good or bad. Because typically when they show forecasts, like for example, it's going to be 25 degrees, the next thing it's going to start dropping, or it can go up and up.
Hey, Johnny, I got to go to bed.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm going to bed now.
Nice talking to you.
Yeah, nice talking to you too. Yeah, blizzard. It looks like the worst of the storm is going to be starting right around like late morning Saturday, lasting into evening hours.
Oh, and what other weather YouTubers you watch?
David Schlotthauer.
Mm-hmm.
He's really good. Also, Direct Weather.
Ryan Hall, y'all?
Never heard of him.
Huh? Never heard of him?
I watch Direct Weather.
What about what's his name? Weatherman Plus.
I think I might have heard of him, but I'm not sure. Jesus.
You're the nicest person alive.
Huh?
You're the nicest person alive, you know that.
All right. Thank you, Johnny. Good night.
Good night.
I'm looking at the Kuchera method right now. Anyway, I'm going to bed right now. Good night, everyone.